Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jay. So, what do we got today? Ooh, yeah. I know. Very exciting. iPad Pro, 10.5 inch, 256 gigabytes from the Best Buy. You see it. 256. Now, I did a little poll on Twitter. And it seemed like the immediate answer was get the 10.5. I was thinking about getting the 12.9 because, you know, I want to do some writing. I want to do, yeah. I had the original 12.9. It was slightly cumbersome, but I didn't want to cheat myself in terms of having too much, in terms of having not enough screen space. But the 10.5 won the poll, so I figured I would get it. And I also got this Logitech Slim Combo. So we're going to take this stuff out of the box and see what the news is. I mean, I know this thing has been out for like 7 months, but hey, leave me alone. Should have come prepared. Hurt my gums. 10.5 inch iPad Pro. Let's go. Oh, slips right off. Look, there it is, and it's sleek. Little plastic sleeve. Don't even have to undo this plastic sleeve the entire way. You know, oh, I already got a fingerprint on it. It's just, it's nice. So what am I going to use this for? You all may know or may not know, if you're new to the channel, that in addition to being a stunning personality on YouTube, I am also a writer and I am also a musician. And as such, I am needing to have something that's going to control the digital audio workstation, Logic Pro 10.4 that I'm using for recording music. And I'm also going to need something that I can read with, that I can mark up student writing as well as my own. They always say bigger is better, and I was sorely tempted by the 12.9, but cooler heads prevailed on Twitter, and I got this one instead. So what else comes in the box? We've got a 12-watt power brick. This is the same 12-watt power brick that has always come with iPads. Lightning cable, regular 3-foot lightning cable, which really annoys me as well. I'm going to have to get a longer one because I don't like the shorter ones. One thing that I'm trying to do right now is work on my automation of things. I'm going to use an app called Workflow that's going to hopefully help me with some of this YouTube stuff. I'm also using some organizing stuff, like Todoist is an app that I've been using. Evernote is an app that I've been using since Evernote became an app. It was one of the first, and I've been using it since, and I'm pretty excited to use it here. It's got pen support now. I need to get my organization on in terms of Evernote because I just got tons of stuff in there. Let's take a look at this Logitech Slim Combo. Now, keyboard was something that I just wasn't sure about. I was going back and forth between a lot of keyboards. I was looking at the Bridge keyboard, which, if you're not familiar with that, basically the iPad slips into two little legs, and then it turns into a laptop. It's an aluminum body, and it's got it's color matched to whatever color iPad you have, so you can get it in space gray, rose gold, gold, silver. I was thinking about getting that, but I wanted something that would also be a little bit protective. I wanted something that I could know was a better keyboard. Logitech has always been a great keyboard manufacturer, and so I wanted something that I could be assured was going to be a good typing experience. So I decided to get the Slim Combo, although some people said it was a little bulky, whatever. So let's go ahead and get it out. So here is the keyboard. I did use the Create keyboard from Logitech when I had the original 12.9, and I didn't like the Create keyboard. It had edges, and it was I didn't like it. So one thing that this has, you can see here, it has quite the range of motion. And I'm happy to see that this lays flush. I was worried, and I couldn't tell in my research if this was going to be sort of bumped out. It's not, though. Here's the hinge mechanism. It's got a loop for the Apple Pencil, which is great. And this is sort of a neoprene, so I don't know that it's going to expand and sort of get loose over time, because this feels like a neoprene fabric, and that has a lot of elasticity. 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 Here's this. Let's put the iPad in it. So, camera. Should go in pretty easily. Here we go. It is in. Hola! ¿Qué tal? Anglais. United States. All right. So I'll finish that setup later. And here's the keyboard. This is not, it is a little bulky. It does sit nicely. It goes all the way down. If you hit up here, it bounces. But if you're writing or typing, that would be just fine if you didn't have your keyboard with you. But it does have the keyboard. So bam, bam. And it's just a little book. Okay, this is cool. I think I like this. Oh, but that's not good. It's going to slip around while I'm trying to write. Or is it? Let's open it up. It's got magnets that hold it together. It's got auto lock. It's got a giant rubber baby buggy bumper. This feels like a very nice keyboard. Full-size keys, a little close together, but not too bad. And so I'm pretty excited about that. I guess this rubber makes it so the iPad doesn't. It's got a lot of lip here, and a quarter of an inch worth of lip on this, which is good for if you drop it on its face. And I imagine this keeps it from bouncing around whenever you have it closed like so. This guy folds out and stays in just about any. All right, gonna have to get used to how to open it. Oh, and it's got some rubber feet on it, but yeah, it's a little slippery. Might have to get some kind of something to keep it from sliding around, because I don't want it to slide around. But it's backlit. It has arrow keys, which is nice. It has this world thing that I think brings up the keyboard. I don't know what it does. Now the Apple Smart Keyboard doesn't have this sort of extra row of keys that would be the F keys on a regular keyboard, which doesn't make any sense to me, because Apple makes the Apple Smart Keyboard, and there are all these functions that come with every Apple keyboard that they decided to leave out of the Apple. Apple vexes me. So you can lock it, you can unlock it. Yeah, lock, unlock. Very full featured, very nice. So this seems like a really good setup, except for the slippiness. Maybe it won't be so bad. I'll have to report back on that. But the Logitech, and you can see, you can get it really low, and you can get it pretty darn high. So this high angle will be good for when I'm trying to watch something on the iPad while I lay in bed, because I'm an old man who lays in bed a lot. I am. It's true. Sorry to burst your bubble. I don't necessarily like the polycarbonate, really hard plastic. My plans are to use the iPad for a while. I think I'm going to do a little series on what I'm using the iPad for in terms of getting work done, getting myself organized. I kind of want to make the iPad sort of a central hub for all of my organization and everything else like that. So what I'm going to do is use it for a while, get things set up. I'll come back and give you an update after a week or so. Then I will see how it goes, and maybe I'll do another update after that. But to this point, we have the iPad Pro 10.5 inch, exciting, and the Logitech Slim Combo. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm going to have links to this so you can get it, the iPad. I'll put a link to the iPad too, but you know where to get iPads, Best Buy, Apple, I don't know, all kinds of places. I don't think they sell them on Amazon as a general rule, but I digress. Until then, though, this has been an unboxing of sorts, a planning session, if you will, for my new iPad Pro 10.5 inch and the Slim Combo case and keyboard from Logitech. Thanks so much for being here. Very much appreciate it. My name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest, it hurts. Until the next time, I'm out.